Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will let you know about how to hide Taskbar on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, here on your desktop, you need to go to your taskbar, place your mouse right on the taskbar, then right click on it and you will see an option taskbar settings. Just tap on the taskbar settings and it will open up the settings for the taskbar. Alright, after that you need to go to the taskbar behavior. Just tap on it and it will drop out all the menus that taskbar have. So under the taskbar alignment, you will see an option automatically hide the taskbar. If you just tick mark on it, and as you can see that your taskbar is now be hidden. So when you place your mouse cursor on bottom, you can see the taskbar. Otherwise, the taskbar is now hidden. So if you want to unhide the taskbar, just simply untick this option and your taskbar will remain the same. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video helps you out, please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe.